Hello, how you doing? Today we're going to make some potato skins with a ground beef tomato sauce. Really nice. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got some sort of whole potatoes there, as you can see. Just give them a little scrub. There's some salt in there. We're going to bring them to the boil, let it go for maybe about 10 minutes for these ones. You want to be able to put a knife in it. Okay, so these are cooked and they've cooled down now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them in half, scoop out as much of the middle as I can. So as you can see, I've now got them into a metal tray. You can use metal, ceramic or glass as long as it can go into the oven. Been scooped out and you can see the potatoes there. Now we're going to go with some ground beef today sauce, but if you wanted, what you could do is chop that up with some onions, say a bit of garlic, get some kind of fresh herbs in there or some chili powder, mix it all up, get it back in with cheese. But like I say, we're going to go with the ground beef today. What we're going to do is we're going to cook these first because they're slightly bland. We're going to get them cooked first before we add our filling. So I'm going to sprinkle them with salt and pepper, and then you can choose something else you want to put in there. I'm going to put some paprika on mine, a sweet paprika. And be fairly generous with the seasoning. Just grab this paprika. Chili works on it, cumin, you can get whatever spice you want on there. And then what I need you to do is get your oven on really high heat, maximum heat. And we're going to pop these in a really hot oven just for about 10 minutes. I'm now just going to add a little bit of oil there. So I just used sunflower oil, any oil works, on the bottom of the tray, and some of it went inside. Whatever like that. All beautiful. Maximum heat, really hot, 10 minutes. Ground beef sauce is quite dry. The aim for this is like lasagna, cannelloni. If you're going to be stuffing some peppers or something like that, you don't want it too wet. So what I've got here is some beautiful ground beef. I mean, that's a freshly ground. Didn't buy it like that. Got it and ground it up. There's about 4 cups there in total. 2 cups of tomato paste, or actually 270 grams, I know that because it's 2 of those little kind of Tetra Pak things. 2 cups of onion cut nice and small, a tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of oregano or oregano, whatever you call that. Oil, salt, pepper, let's go. So skillet, frying pan, whatever you like. In there I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using sunflower oil, you can change that if you want. Medium heat, we're going to drop it in the 2 cups of onion cut small, the tablespoon of garlic, salt, black pepper. I'm going to go for about 4 minutes. So just a few minutes there to bring that together and get it on its way. We're now going to add in our ground beef, like I say, which is really beautiful, the one I'm using today. Stay on a medium heat. We're now going to go for about 6 or 7 minutes, and we're going to be crunching it down, as you can see, pushing it down there and stirring fairly often. Seven or so minutes there. You can see that it's changed color pretty much all the way through. It's looking great. Next up, we're going to drop in that tomato paste, 2 cups of that, roughly, or if you want it exact, it's 270 grams. The oregano or oregano. If you want, get some fresh basil in here, or basil. But I'm just going with that. And now we're going to go for another 5 minutes or so. And again, we're going to be stirring pretty much all of the time here. And then we've done it. We've got a really simple meat sauce, which is not super wet. You want it kind of fairly dry if you're making sort of a lasagna or cannelloni. Okay, off goes the heat. Just check that for salt and pepper. But there we go, we've got a nice, decent, quick, simple meat sauce there. And there you go, a really simple ground meat sauce Okay, so they've had a little blast for like, 10 minutes or so like that. Just get them going. Just adds a bit more flavour into them. Now keep your oven on, by the way, because we're going to be going back in very soon. What I like to do is drop a little bit of Parmesan cheese in. You could maybe put a bit of cheddar in here if you want. Just like to go over a little bit of cheese before we add the ground beef. Okay, so ground beef's in. Now I'm going to use some mozzarella, which I've cut into kind of cubes here. Again, you could be just putting some grated cheddar on this. And then just as a little signature, I'm going to put some dried oregano or oregano on top. And then they're going to go back in a really super hot oven, which I hope you've still got on, so it's really nice and hot. And they're going to go in for about another 10 minutes. Job done. Okay, and there you go, about 10 minutes in the oven. Cheese has melted really nicely. They're beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.